Don't talk to yo. Don't talk to me like I'm your man.
Hey, look, please, look at how he's talking.
Don't talk to me like I'm your man, 'cause I'm not your man.
I'm not talking to you like that.
So lower your voice.
I didn't even yell at you. Now I'm yelling because I'm mad. Because you're rude. You're very rude.
Let's go.
You see how he's talking? You see how he's talking to me?
Shut up and get in the car.
Bro, I'll find you.
On August 21st, 2023, officers on patrol noticed a gray Chevy Traverse with heavily tinted windows. When they initiated a stop, the situation quickly escalated as the driver handed over an ID card instead of a driver's license. Officers soon discovered that her license had been canceled over a year prior. What started as a routine stop turned into a heated exchange as the driver claimed ignorance about her canceled license, sparking a tense confrontation.
Can you please lower down your windows? All of them? Thank you. You got a license? Thank you. Is this car registered to you? This car's not registered at all. You have a driver's license? How is that a driver's license?
Yeah, or did you change this to a
Is this car registered to you? Give me your registration, man.
And 69 April 6th, right?
What's up with the attitude? The attitude is crazy. I'm scared of what? Scared of what? Tell me what you're scared of. Why? Because what? What I do? You scared because I pulled you over. Your tag is not registered. The vehicle's not registered. Your tinted dark, so I don't know who's in the car. I attempt to pull you over there, and you're just driving. So, of course you did.
I'm serious.
All right. Just turn off your car. Turn off your car. Relax. Relax. It's not that deep.
I think you have an attitude. I pulled over. I didn't try to run from you or anything. If you put my lights over there, I didn't see you.
Okay.
I apologize.
Okay. So, you gonna patent me your registration? Ma'am, can you lower your window for me, please?
This is what I have.
Cool. Alright. So, if you have any issues about what just happened or a little transaction, you talk to my sergeant over there, okay? If you're in your fields. Give me a second.
Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. He was rude, though. Do you think he was rude? I don't think I was rude.
What happened?
He was just mean. I don't feel like I had attitude.
I think because she just said that
I'm
she didn't
scared.
see his lights go further on, but she just told him I wasn't trying to run from you unless she pulled to the side. But I think they just didn't have to each other. But I think she's fine. I think she's just shaking up being pulled over. I think she's fine.
Was the car registered to you? It was registered to you? Is this a new, you just bought this? You transferring over your paperwork?
967-966. You can see all them windows? Oh, Lord. How y'all see all these windows? Thing's dark.
You want to stay in here?
I Golly.
You know
That's like
Have some eye problems.
35% or something like that, bro.
She didn't see my lights.
4930
When did you do it over there?
Silver Taurus.
Don't talk to yo, don't talk to me like I'm your man.
Hey, look, please, look at how you talking
Don't
to
talk
me.
to me like I'm your man, 'cause I'm not your man.
I'm not talking to you like
So lower
that.
your voice.
I didn't even yell at you. Now I'm yelling because I'm mad. Because you're rude. You're very rude. Let's record you.
It's all recorded.
Yes, I want to record you because you're rude. Like, you're so rude. I'm just trying to ask you a question. You have animosity or something? I feel like you have animosity.
stand up there. Keep it civil. Just keep it limited contact with talking to her.
Was it cross the line? Don't talk to me like I'm your man.
25692.
How am I supposed to calm down? Anything I say is a problem.
9-3, I'm out on one.
JB, copy 1050. Tag 99 Alpha. Lima, X-ray Tango. Going to be Kirkman, southbound of Conroe. On a gray Kia Sorento on 515.
Hey, I'm gonna be a minute. I gotta go research some stuff.
Okay.
The fucking police pulled me over. I wasn't even doing nothing. In my car. Right by my front spot. There's 3 cops.
I'm going to go for stuff for speed.
And this cop is so...
Any number 45 for minutes over?
He's like, what's the address? I said, oh my God, so I said,
Go
I'm scared.
49 JP.
He's like, don't talk. I feel like I'm your man. I didn't even say anything.
On the way down.
Huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah, the whole windshield. Yeah, that's probably like literally like 50%. 50 or lower than that. Like, that's dark. Like, can't even see the AS line here where it's supposed to be at.
Who has none of y'all have a 10 meter?
You can't 10 meter that.
Not
But
this, but these.
I don't Randy might have one.
And you can tell me that's when you go on Thomas Street right around.
I mean, all of them are way too dark anyway.
Just text him and see.
My phone's in my car.
I have eye problems.
Eye problems don't warrant for a legal tint.
What's your first name?
Sorry.
Tori. Listen, I understand you have eye problems, but that's something that you're gonna have to get worked out with your doctor for them to give you paperwork to get the DMV.
If I have the paperwork,
If you have, that's something to do with DMV, okay? But first off, I'm just gonna let you know now, you're gonna continuously get pulled over because of your tint. This tint should never be, just like how our patrol car is, it should never go past this line right here. You see that black, the AS1 line? Yep, you should not, your tint should never be past that line.
And we're supposed to be able to see it from the outside.
Yeah.
I can't even see the AS where the line is right here. There's the
So,
letters that say AS line. I can't even see
If you go on
that.
the highway, you're definitely going to get pulled over by FHP nonstop. And the kind of car you're driving, I'm going to tell you now, you will get pulled over. Okay? Your tint, you're going to have to work it out. If you bought it this way, I'm going to tell you now, just go get it changed. All of it. Because you're going to, and I'll be quite frank. If you and whoever it is, the police having a particular banter, if that person decides, they can give you a ticket for all 4 tickets plus that one. So that's 5 tickets you'll get.
Every single window can be ticketed.
So just know that can happen. And if you don't want to have to pay $100 $100 and something.
I'm watching you.
No, I'm not saying you're. No, I'm not talking about him. I'm just talking in general, right? So if you don't want to get ticketed for all of these things, this kid, you need to go see somebody to get it to the legal limit. And this thing, the front one, you will get pulled over non-stop. Because that's the first thing we'll look for. Because we can't see in your car. So that's you're already targeting yourself. Just like that. So it's up to you. Try to get your medical paperwork and take it to the DMV and say, hey, you need this because of your situation with your eyes. And it's something that they can add onto your file whenever you get pulled over. But if not, you're going to get pulled over all the time. Guaranteed. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it, especially if you go out of town and you're driving up and down the highway.
Yeah, I'll say FHP will 100% write tickets for this.
Yeah.
FHP will write every single window a ticket.
Us, for the most part, FHP is Florida Highway Patrol. So,
That's all those guys do is write tickets. If I'm not mistaken, this has to be 28 and that has to be 15.
I'm trying to be nice. I'm not doing anything mean.
Where y'all headed to the mall?
The Bahama Breeze to pick up our food.
Oh, so your food over there getting cold.
I have to get the money in for me.
Hope it wasn't an empanadas. I'd hate to have to warm those up in a microwave.
She's scared. Yeah, I know.
What did he say to her before I got here? What did the officer say to you before I got here?
He just tapped on my window, I rolled it down, and then he said, can I see your ID? I handed him a card, he was like, this is my ID.
Okay.
And I said, he said, where's your registration? This card registered. I said, I don't have your registration.
Okay.
And then I gave him this, but he was just very rude.
Okay.
And he was like, roll down all the windows. And he's like, what's with the attitude? I said, I don't have attitude. Like, I'm scared of you. I said, I'm scared.
He asked why
Like,
she was
pulled me
scared, and
over.
she like, just because I got pulled over.
Okay.
And then he was just, and then when he just came up here, he said he tried to pull me over. I didn't see it. I just seen him right now. I said, I didn't see you. He's like, don't talk to me like I'm your man.
Yeah, I was here for that part.
Like, I don't know how I'm talking to you like that. I'm talking to you like a regular person, a police officer. I talk to my man crazy. That's not crazy. That's very nice.
Well, I would definitely address it when we're done here.
Ma'am, what's going on with your license? Okay. How long ago? It's been quite a while.
That's why I got scared.
I've already just hung up with her. She said she can't have somebody come out now, but she'll have somebody come out later. I told her she can call back and we can have somebody respond with her to clear the house.
I mean, you're scared for a reason. Your license is not only suspended, it's been canceled. Okay, since last year of 2022, January. On top of that, you're driving recklessly in a unregistered motor vehicle.
Can you tell me how I was driving?
Ma'am, I don't have to explain anything to you.
I didn't want to.
Ma'am,
You say it.
ma'am. At this point, I don't have to explain nothing to you. You have to listen to me. All right? I'm done talking. Hands on the steering wheel. Hands on the steering wheel.
Okay, I'm putting my phone over here.
Let's go.
You see how he's talking? You see how he's talking to me? Like, what did I do? Did I say anything wrong? He's like, I'm done. What did I do to him? Sorry,
Ma'am.
you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Got anger problems.
I already know.
Do you have a driver's license, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
so we can make sure that you can drive this car if she wants you to drive it.
Ultimately, ma'am, you know you can't be driving, so you shouldn't be behind the wheel of your vehicle. Okay, so that's problem one. Problem two is you got stopped because of how dark your tent.
How he is. He's very rude.
It is what it is. Okay.
Your feelings, got it. Come on, let's go to the car.
See, hold on.
No, it's not.
Wait, I'm telling her something.
You're resisting now.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to tell her something about myself. Someone needs to fucking...
We'll handle that in a minute.
Don't resist. Shut up and get in the car.
Bro, I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna find when I get the fuck out of jail. I'm gonna find who the fuck you are.
Resisting. Stop resisting.
Stop.
I'm not resisting.
Okay,
I'm standing here.
Okay, just stop.
I'm gonna find who the fuck you are.
Let me pat you down and make sure you don't have anything on you, and then we'll talk about it. Hold on, please. Why do you stand for me?
Can someone else take me instead of him?
Unfortunately not. He's the one that's arrested.
It's okay, the camera will be on.
Alright, do you want your friend to drive your car?
No one's driving the car.
I need to tell her about my house, about my keys.
Okay, tell me what
about my phone. She don't know my passcode.
Okay, tell me what you want to tell her. Or I can have a walk over here and
I can walk over here. I was just trying to tell her before he snatched me out of there.
Okay.
He's rude.
Okay, 1 second. You having it turned?
Yes, absolutely.
Roll the window down so her friend can figure out what she wants to do with her property. She has eye problems. Yeah, she cannot see. She has eye problems.
That's not my problem. I didn't cite her for anything like that, Sarge. I'm taking her to jail because she wants to resist without violence. She's been on suspended license for over a year, and her car is unregistered.
25 minutes.
Echo 91.
Did she roll up? Can someone roll on my window? Hello?
51 in jail.
Hello?
1 Hotel Foxtrot, 1015, car mileage.
Hello?
1 second, I'm on the radio.
God.
54622.
Sergeant, can someone roll up my windows? Yes, please. Thank you. Okay, so I need my dress pulled down.
I'm not touching you.
So walk like this.
I'm not touching you.
Walk like this.
I'm not touching you because then you're going to be like, oh, this officer did this camera's rolling.
Obviously, show
I'm
me.
not touching
So
you.
During the response, a Boise police officer mistakenly shot an armed correctional officer after believing he was the suspect. The officer survived his injuries. Authorities later arrested both Skylar Meade and the alleged gunman, Nicholas Umpanelli, after separate vehicle pursuits, bringing the 36-hour man to